Good morning guys, it's Ali from Brownlows in Darlington. We have another new stock arrived this morning. It's a Volkswagen Caddy. This is a 5-seater van, but it's also been professionally converted for a wheelchair access. Let's have a look at the van inside. Right guys, it's quite spacious in the back. I'm sitting in the middle row. Definitely there's room for two more in the back as well, and a cruise control. It is diesel. I mean, the Volkswagen Caddies, they are quite a good engines. They are really reliable and they are very economical as well. You don't find many of these in the market. So we managed to buy 4 of the wheelchair converted vans in the last 3-4 days. They all are on the website. So, so if you're looking for one of these, please do give us a ring on 01325 484870 or visit our website brownlowcars.co.uk. Don't forget, all our cars comes with 12 months MOT, no advisories, and a service and a 3-month warranty. Thank you.
Welcome to Brownlows Cars. If you're looking for great savings on quality used cars, be sure to like, subscribe, for more updates on our latest stock and amazing deals. Join the Brownlows Cars family today.
Brownlows Cars, the name you can trust. 351 Horton Road, Darlington, DO1 2BP, 01325 484 870.